Happy morning children. Today I am going to discuss about revision assignment class 5. See, choose the correct answers. First one, which of the following joints allows movement in many direction? The joint which allows movement in many direction is ball and socket joint. Where that ball and socket joint is present? Shoulder point. Okay. The correct answer is option number 2. Second question, the heart is made up of. Children, the heart is made up of involuntary muscles. Correct option is option number 4. Third question, which of the following help in movement by contracting and relaxing? The movement which help contracting and relaxing is muscles. Option number 2. See fourth question. There are dash pairs of ribs in a human body. In a human body we have how many pair of ribs? 12 pair of ribs. Okay. Option number 2. 12 pairs of ribs. Fifth question. Which of the following cushions and protect the bones where they meet? So, the cushions that protect the bones where they meet is called as cartilage. Option number 3. Sixth question. Dash protects the heart and lungs. Heart and lungs are protected by rib cage. Correct option is number 1. Seventh question. Which of the following animal is supported by an endoskeleton? The animal which is supported by an endoskeleton is deer. Correct option is number 2. Okay. Next, eighth question. The smallest bone in our body is, in our body we have two bones now. One is smallest bone, another is longest bone. So, the smallest bone which is present is stapes. Where the stapes are present? Ears. The longest bone is femur which is present in thigh bone. Option is number 4. Okay. Next, ninth question. The branch of medical science which deals with the connection of musculoskeletal system is called as orthopedics. The branch of medical science is which connects the musculoskeletal system is called as orthopedics. 10th one, red blood cells are made in. Where red blood cells are made in? Bone marrow. Correct option is number 1. Okay children. Next, answer the following questions in one word. What is a skeleton? What is a skeleton? Framework of bones in our body is called as skeleton. Framework, note it down. Framework of bones in our body. Framework of bones in our body is what, Nana? Skeleton. Second question. What is the other name of backbone? The other name of backbone is vertebral column. Vertebral column. Third question. What is the function of bone marrow? In previous we studied where red blood cells are made in bone marrow. So, the function of bone marrow is the red blood cells are made in bone marrow. Red blood cells are made in bone marrow. Okay. Next, fourth question. Where do we find hinge joint in our body? In our body, where we can find out that hinge joints? That are elbow, shoulder, fingers and knees. Okay? Elbow, elbow, knees, elbow, knees and fingers. And toes. Okay. Last question. What are tendons? So, what are tendons? Fibers that attach it to the bones. Fibers that attach to the bones. What are tendons, Nana? Fibers that attach to the bones and muscles together. Is called as tendons. Second Roman, answer the following questions in 1 or 2 sentences. First question, name the bones that make up our arms and legs. Limbs make up our arms and legs. Arms are attached to the shoulder bone, and where legs are attached? Legs are attached to the hip bone. Second question, name the types of joints in our body and give one example of each. Okay. Children, in previous class already we learned na, we have how many types of joints? 4 types of joints. What are they? Hinge joint, pivot joint, gliding joint, ball and socket joint. So, what is the example of hinge joint? Where that hinge joint is present? Knees, fingers. Pivot joint, neck joint, gliding joint, wrist and ankle. Ball and socket joint is shoulder joint. Okay. Next, third question. What is cartilage? The flexible substances present on the bones and help the bones to join with other bone is called as cartilage. Okay children, it's clear? Thank you. Have a nice day.